If you go to turn off the Wi-Fi on your iPhone, only to notice after a few hours or the next day, it is automatically turned back on and connected, I'll show you how to permanently disable it and make sure that it doesn't automatically reconnect again. Now on your iPhone, most people disable the Wi-Fi by swiping down from the top right and tapping on the Wi-Fi button, which makes complete sense. You can see it turns white. However, at the top here, you can see, let me do this real quick. It says disconnecting nearby Wi-Fi until tomorrow. So it doesn't actually turn your Wi-Fi off. Tomorrow, it will just toggle back on. So let's permanently disable it by tapping on the Settings app on your iPhone and then tapping on Wi-Fi. Now, one option you have is if you're connected to a network, you can see this is my home network. All you need to do is tap on the little I right next to it. And instead of auto join being on, you can toggle it off. This will prevent your iPhone from automatically joining this Wi-Fi network. You can also go back out of here. And if you want to disconnect from Wi-Fi completely, you don't want to connect to any Wi-Fi networks, turn it off here in the settings. Now, when you do turn it off in the settings, you can swipe down from the top right and you can see now instead of it being white, you can see the Wi-Fi has a little line through it, indicating it is permanently off and it will not be turned back on unless you turn it back on in the settings or the control center. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.